Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to do a follow-up review to let you see how this rack is now that I got my clothes on it. It does seem pretty sturdy. I was a little worried that it would be kind of rickety, but I'm just going to turn it and let you see. So, so you can see on the end here, I've got some of my clothes set up, and it telescopes and it extends. Of course, it droops down a little bit, but I'm not really worried about it breaking or anything now. I was at first, but I've had my clothes on it and it seems to be holding up fine. So that's good. And then just to turn it so you can see at the end. So these are my clothes. You see there is a little bit of overlap between the front and the back bar. So just so you know from the width that you will have to expect some of that overlap. So it's not wide enough to have a full set space here and a full set space on the other side. So there, if you think you're going to fill it up completely, they're going to be a little bit crowded there. So just know that when you get it. And of course, you can see the two different heights. So the back bar is taller. All four ends extend. It does have a nice chrome finish. The wheels on it, they're really smooth. I like that. Some of the other ones I've had, they're kind of feel a little bit like they get stuck and stuff. These ones feel like they roll nice, so that's good. And it was really super easy to put together. So overall, I think it's a pretty nice rack.